this like this, how in your organization, how the folder structure will be there. Okay, folder structure will be like folders and organization, it will be like that. Let me show you. Resources, see here, I told right, this is a free trial account, you will get it 90 days free. Okay, $300 credits you will get it in Indian currency, approximately 25K. 90 days you will get the credit. I started this account 5 6 days back, 5 days back. Okay, for that reason we have 85 days remaining. This is my Gmail free account, you can see this one. Okay, for that reason only we can able to see like only no organization. Why? Because of you won't get organization like that. Let me show you this diagram. Yeah, see this one. Well, now this is the company. This is the company means your organization, whatever you have. From this, you will they will be creating folders. For example, we have some departments are there, like HR department, finance department, like infrastructure. In that, we have some more departments like that. Segregation. Here, this is the segregation, and I have noticed this one is project, this one is, and this one development, this one pre-production, this one is production. Some I've been noticed some other projects we have pre-production and UAT also. Four folders will be there. One is development, then QA, they'll be testing. After that, they are moving to pre-production and go to the production. Like that, that main folders will be there. This is the development, right? There will be another sub folders will be there. Subfolders means like this one is development, right? First, we need to develop the application. Here, what development you are going to do that? First, any Java application. I like just think like like writing a. Let me write some. Here, there is a folder. Okay. From here, this is a development, right? Like this one is Java application. This one Java team will be there. Suppose this is PHP department, and this is a database department. Database means a DBS or database engineering people will be there. They'll be creating databases. They'll be verifying the databases. How many databases they need? This team needed. This team how many databases needed? Which database has to be loaded? MySQL database or Postgres database or any advanced database like BigQuery or Spanner or AlloyDB. This database team will be there. And this one is data warehousing. You know, right? You guys are asking database data engineering. Who will be designing data engineering? Like four folders, subfolders will be there. Data engineering and database DBA team and PHP team and Java team. And now new team is also there, DevOps team. I can say. One more means high level, they won't do anything. Technical, they won't do anything. Like just they will be monitoring, like people management team. They'll be handling the teams. Like same structure will be designed in QA. Okay, same structure will be there and QA also. Then pre-production. If you are working for a life sciences like Pfizer and AstraZeneca, these novartis or something like that. Okay, if you are working in Wipro or TCS or something, in TCS we will get some projects, right? In that like other insurance projects like MetLife, these very very secured and very segregated. Okay, their pre-production, if you are working for retail businesses or something like that, there is no pre-production. Okay, but pre-production I have seen in life sciences. Pre-production, separate folder, pre-production. From there, this one is production. This is very secure, and nobody here, developers will be there, they won't allow. And job PHP people, they will be giving the code, they will be pushing it to GitHub or something. Then they will be, who will be deploying? DevOps or senior, like the database engineering people, they'll be join will be there. From there, okay, from this, like from there we'll be starting projects. Project is nothing but, in your project whatever you can do, you can do it. The project is nothing but a isolated room, I can say. In Azure we'll call it as a resource group. In Oracle Cloud we'll call it as a tenant, like that. Okay, tenant is nothing. Suppose you have an apartment. Okay, whatever, if you have 10 apartments, right? 10 apartments in your home, like in your flat number. Your flat number is 501 or something. You can communicate in that your apartment, but you cannot move one apartment to another apartment, right? Same case here also, we have projects will be there. Project 1, project 2, project 3, project 4, whatever project, you cannot able to communicate each other. This is isolated room. You can do anything in this. I want to communicate one apartment to another apartment. What you can do, you need to put some small bridge and you need to move. Some I have been noticed, very big colleges, they'll be coming, they'll moving, so with help of some bridges, right? From here to here. I've been seen IIT in in Tirupati. Okay, there is a big apartment, flooring building is there. Flooring building is there. I noticed there is a communication between one up building to another building. Means there is a network. You have to build the network between two projects. These things we are going to see that. Okay, all those things where we need to manage, is, that's what IAM. That's what we'll get it. IAM. See, predefined. All those things will be taken care. Organization, folders, projects, and resources. Resources is nothing but, what are the resources? Yesterday we have seen everything. We have more than 200 resources are there. Okay, databases, networking, load balancing, security, all those things we can create in that project. Anything you can create from project, you can able to see. From here you can able to see, from here you cannot able to see. I'll show you this also. Okay, later classes I'll show you. You cannot, here you cannot, from here you can do anything. Okay, like these things we need to manage. That is called IAM, Identity Access Management. You will get it here. See, this one is one project. If you click on this, yesterday we created one project, right? Go here. This is the navigation menu. You can see IAM. See, IAM, organizations, all those things. See, whatever is, suppose I want to give a person has been joined, this is a Gmail account, right? We cannot able to provide, this is a free account. If you have a domain account, domain means you come, your company has been purchased, okay, with a pay as you go, means that is a commercial, I can say. You will get it some wipro.com, okay, accenture.com, like this. In that case, you will get the email IDs and all those things, right? You can go here, grant access. See, I'll give you some Gmail account. Gmail, it will be detecting. Why? Because of Gmail, Google is both are same. Automatically, it will come. See, Gmail account. You got this. Which role I need to provide? Basic role. Even basic also, we are. Just he can view that. That's it. Okay, this guy can able to view and he will get an email also. You can give some anybody's email ID in the chat, Divakar or somebody. I'll give you the Gmail account. Just you can able to view my account. Okay, you will get an email. This is an interactive session. If you have any doubts, you can ask. No Gmail ID, anybody? No Gmail ID. I didn't receive any Gmail ID. Please. Okay. Even it should be interactive. Like this, I can give the access for him. He can able to see. No. This guy is not related to. Yeah, that like yes. Okay. And just you may get the email. Okay, from I'm giving. See this one automatically. Varun, I'll give just basic level. See, browser access to browse resources only, just browsing. No, I don't want. See, list permissions, you can able to see all those things. You can see. Just you will get an email. Like this, you have to manage your organization accordingly. We have roles are there. Lot of roles are there where you can see the roles. Here you can see the roles. Role is what is meant by role, set of privileges on particular resource, you will get the role. For example, you are working, so some thousands of roles are there. See, so many roles. See, thousand and something around 1,800 plus roles are there. Every service having some role. For example, you want to work on storage. Okay, just click on type storage. Mm, See here. If I click on that storage, what are the storage related? Bare metal, backup related storage, environment, like storages. You got this. If I want to enable, if I want to give this permission, you will get the storage. See this permission I can able to give to Varun. Just I will copy. Okay. Go to the Varun. Here, just edit, add. Okay, search this. See, got it. Okay, like just if you want to test it, test this one. You can test it, no problem. Okay, like this is simulation of 1,001 per month supported resource type like that. Why? Because of this is a Gmail account, right? Okay, like this you can able to give the access for this. Like we have IAM from here, you can access whatever and you can give the access also. Suppose I am a principal architect, I have full control. I can give the access, I can revoke the access, I can view the roles like that. Two viewers are there. I am the owner. Two viewers means two. I created two right now, just now. Two viewers. I am the owner. Okay. Same owner permissions also you can give that. This one is organization. This is very good option. We can able to see organization folders and projects, but we don't have this one. Why? Because of this is a free trial account. But at last, I will show you. I have a domain, own domain I have. Okay. In that, I will create and I will show you that how it will be there. This is very, you can able to say real time also. I have this, I'm maintaining this one. I can move like that. I can move, I can create and all those things. You can do that. Something message I okay, like these service account, these are a lot of things are there. We are going to see one by one from tomorrow on Monday onwards. Just I am giving brief on first these things. Service account, service account is nothing but a mission account. Okay, mission account. Why mission accounts will be there? For example, you created service account. Suppose, can I use this account to do any activity? Yes, you can do that. Okay, you can do these things also. Suppose, for example, this guy left the company. Okay, left the company means what? These services is running, some application is running with Varun email ID. Okay, Varun email ID. Suddenly he left from TCS to Wipro. He joined somewhere else. Okay, what TCS will do? They'll be removing like this. Okay, removed. That complete application which has been working with Varun email ID, all will be what happened means it will uh, it will it won't work. It will give the issues. You cannot able to connect. Application will be in trouble. For that reason only, GCP, not only GCP, in Windows, we have service accounts also there. This is on premises also, we have service account. In Google Cloud also, we have service account. In AWS, in Oracle Cloud also, we have service account. This is common. Okay. What are the things we have, can do in on premises? Yesterday we discussed anything we can do in cloud. What we are doing in on premises, anything we can do in the cloud with help of these services only. Almost all services are there. If you don't want, I want some more means we have a marketplace. Yesterday we have said marketplace. For example, I want to deploy some um, big like Salesforce, for example, market. Sorry, yeah, marketplace. In this market you can purchase, see here whatever you want, see whatever you want, data bricks you want to purchase, yes you can purchase. GitLab you need to integrate, yes you can able to do that. Okay, Datadog, this is like a monitoring. Okay, a monitoring application for, I want to integrate some, so many things are there from the marketplace. You can directly, you can pin to your application and you can use it. These are the things we have. Okay, this is the marketplace. If you don't have this service in your GCP account, okay, I'm saying almost all services we have. For example, I want to communicate Kubernetes. I want to go with microservices. I want to develop. We have Kubernetes. We have, right. It's a on-premises Kubernetes for microservices. Microservices means what? See, in your mobile, if you search for Zomato, small 10 MB, 20 MB, it is coming. For example, if you want to install MS Office means MS Office, it won't be like that. Word, you can download it. Okay. And Excel, you can able to download it like that, right? Small pieces you can able to download. No, I don't want. I want to just view. As for that also, we have Excel viewer also there, Word viewer also there. What is that? Microservices. With help of Kubernetes, they'll be creating the pods and they'll be communicating to Android. They'll put into Android service account. For that reason, Android marketplace. If you search for in Play Store, what is that? That is the marketplace for your mobile. What they'll be integrating, they're developing, they're pushing the apps into that marketplace. Okay, you can download. If it is free, you can use it. If it is if you want to buy, for example, Spotify, you need to buy, you have to buy, right? It will, otherwise you will get the ads. Something like Zomato, you can download it. It is a free. Why? Because you are using Zomato application. These applications almost 90 to 100%, I can say, all working in microservices with help of Kubernetes. Okay, Kubernetes is nothing but I'm going somewhere else, no problem. I'll give you detailed everything will be discussed. Okay, Kubernetes I came. Okay, see here. Analytics, we have categories, big data. Okay. Billing, okay. Billing section, don't bother about that. That is not 4 5 years. People can be billing. Just I am opening. See here. Verify means, see, verify why it is asking. This is a free account. It is trying to verify you account. Don't bother this. You will get all. You guys also will get this one. See, it will be asking remote Indian passport, Aadhaar card, and no other driving lessons or dizzy. All those things you need. Fine. And like you can see the cost tables, billing, all those things you will get it. According to this, they won't allow to see that. Even higher level also they won't, they cannot able to see who are working as a account managers. They have very account managers or solution architects. They'll be looking the billing section. Okay, IAM, we can see all those things from tomorrow. See, create a project. Already we have seen manage resources. Manage resources, we cannot able to see. Create a project, you can see. I'm creating one more project. Any project like some development project. Okay, project. I told, right, project name you can able to change it anytime. This project ID only very important. Very important. You cannot able to change. This is one of the interview questions who are looking into 3 or 4 years. We are keeping, right, 4 years of experience. In this case, you can see this one. Okay, you cannot, they'll be asking, can I change after creation of, I created a project, we started working, suddenly my client is asking to change the project ID. No, it's not possible at all. Then what we can do, we have to create another project. At that time you have to edit. Before itself you need to edit. For example, see, I'm editing any number 3 6 9, something like that. See, it should be unique, universally unique means it has to be unique for everybody in throughout the globe. See, for example, dev project I give you, see, is not available. Why? Somebody has been taken this account. Okay, only project I give. See, not available. Why? It already somebody has been taken. See, this is also not available. No, this is also, that's what we are giving numbers. 3. See, that is also not there. This is there. Okay, like this. And that is the reason. This is, let me 6. No, that is not. 6, 7. It's not there. This is the thing. Project 3. No. One more 3. 1, 3. Oh, that is also not there. 2, 3. Okay. 3, 3 I put. I will create this. Okay. See this one. Project ID is not there. Let me refresh automatically. Now you got it. You can change. You want to see here, it is not there, right? Some labels. You want to see properly means here you can see columns, whichever column, the empty column you want to do empty status, remove it. Okay, carbon emission, something unattended projects. We are not attended. Somebody people won't touch the projects, right? Labels also you can create. You can create a label also. Later can I create the label? Let me go with, these are all the interview questions. Okay, here you can change settings, you can change, you can delete, you can migrate organization, because you cannot able to migrate. You can do that if you are a domain account, but this is a trial account, you can't do that. Organization founder level we cannot able to do. There's something jumping. Settings. See this one. There is no, we cannot able to change. Grade out. I cannot able to do anything. Project number also there. This is decided by you. Decided. This one is decided by Google GCP. Okay, Google Cloud will be deciding the number, unique number. This is also universally unique. It is by decided by GCP. This one is, if you miss that, GCP will take care. If you don't miss, if you edit that, you can control this one. Later, you cannot able to change. I can change this one anytime. I told, right? Dev project. Okay. In this project, you can control. See, here you won't get that email IDs. In this project, you don't have access. Keep in mind, one project to, I told, right? One project to another project, isolated. One project to another project, it is isolated. You cannot able to. This one is one building. I told, right? This one project. Okay. In this project, you cannot, I have to give freshly that Varun and the worker, whatever people are there, I have to give it freshly account. You cannot able to access. Only previously we have seen, right? Some morning project we created. That things we can able to do. He can able to view, he can able to do in that. But in real time, same scenarios, you cannot able to do that. I want to work on this project means who created this project, who is working as a owner role, that guys can able to access this and they can provide the access to anybody. This is separate. That is separate. Organization, from here you can able to control. From here, organization, right? Here, if you have permission, this is a not domain account, right? This is not a part of organization. Why? This is a free account. Any doubts, any questions? Okay. Service account, see this one. Mission account, I told, right? Some service account. 1 minute, let me go back to our project, third project. Ours is this one, right? See, there is some service account is there. Yesterday we enabled. If you enable something, okay, suppose I want to create a database. How you can able to create a database? Okay, there is a service cloud SQL. From Monday, we are going from as per this one. Okay, from how you can able to identify what is this one rollback access, how to manage. Already we are looking into that with help of gcloud console is okay, but you guys has to prepare with gcloud commands. Okay, I have the commands, no worries, I'll give you that. Okay, how can you can manage the projects building and all those things. Now only we are looking, anyhow, no problem. Now just one more. There is a service called Cloud SQL. Cloud SQL is nothing but database service. You can manage any database standalone. See, normally what happens, I want to install SQL Server or MySQL Server. What I need to do, where you can able to install, where you need to install is, let me show you. Um, Postgres install, download. Okay, what see here? Which each platform you are using Postgres database I need to install in my laptop. Linux, my laptop is Linux. You can go, you can follow these procedures where there is a no procedure. Unstable. Let me check it. Hmm. Now it is. See, Red Hat. I want to go with Red Hat. Which version? 17th, 13, 14, like this. Okay, we have some versions, every database. Don't worry about the databases. You need to configure the database, any service. Okay, okay, that no worries, but I need to know Postgres database. I need to know MySQL. I need to know SQL Server. It's not required. Just installation wise, I am explaining what you need to do. For example, Red Hat, I'm using uh, 9 version. See this one. What you need to do, you have to download it and you need to install, right? Windows I'll show Windows I'll go. Easy. See, downloader, install. See here. Which one can I install? Windows, right? See here. 17, download. See, it is downloading. See, means it is downloading here in your laptop and you are installing. Means without a laptop you cannot able to install, right? Without operating system you cannot able to install. Means you need a platform to install any database, any service, right? But here if you choose this one, okay, if you choose this one, you can install here itself. Internally Google will take care the platform. This is comparing to this one is easy, and it is uh, building purpose also the cost is very less. Who will take care? Fully managed by GCP will take care the platform. See, I downloaded. See, I'm downloading around 340 MB. I'm downloading here. You notice this one. I need to install. Means it will ask for C drive or D drive. See, let me click on this. I'll show you. Not this one. Not this. This one. See, what is the EDB post is not, don't mind, all those things, leave it. EDB is nothing but enterprise. Postgres is nothing but free account. See this one. You are getting popping up. Okay. See, C drive it is occupying some space, right? Without computer, you cannot able to install, right? Same case. Coming to this one, I'm not installing. Coming to this one, C drive, whatever the drives, it will be taken care by GCP. This space and all, you can give some space and you can install it. See here, I'm going with a development or sandbox or see 2 CPUs, 8 GB RAM, 10 GB storage. You can go with that. 5 days, 7 days point in time recovery. Single zone. We need to discuss that these things also. What is meant by zone? What are the things we have? I forgot actually. I supposed to say that. Okay, what is the data centers we have? Where the data centers has been located? I need to update something. I need to keep something because that is very important. Okay. Yeah, I will add it. Later zones, regions. Okay, just I will add and I'll share you later. Okay, what is meant by zone? What is meant by region? Okay, that is very, very important. Which region you need to be loaded? See, GCP having lot of regions. GCP regions map. See, locations and regions. This I'm supposed to say, but I forgot actually. Sorry. This one. See, current regions are like here in Mumbai, we have a data center. GCP will be taking care because without GCP cloud is nothing but see, yesterday as we discussed, on premises means what? You have separate room in your office. That is data center. Okay. Without that is your company data center. Now GCP giving data center means they have to keep some rooms, right? Data centers, right? For that reason, they have to keep the data centers, then only we can use it. Okay, they created this much of places in South Africa, then Africa, this one in South America, two places in North America, a lot of places are there. Okay, Las Vegas and Dallas and Delhi, we have region and Sydney, Singapore, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Tokyo. In Russia, we don't have. Russia is a um, some communist country, right? For that reason, might be. Okay. See here, lot of regions are there. In one region, we have three zones will be there. Approximately three zones will be there. Nearby 100 kilometers. For example, I will tell you, region is main center. For example, Hyderabad. I will take some Hyderabad location. You, Hyderabad is a main region. Safe side, they'll be keeping a three regions separately, zones. In Hyderabad, this one is think like, I don't know, Mumbai. Just think like this is Hyderabad. Hyderabad nearby 100 kilometers, they'll be keeping. In Warangal, they will keep one data center. We don't know. Okay, we don't know, right? Because Mumbai nearby, they'll be keeping here. But Hyderabad, just example, I'm saying Hyderabad, Warangal, and nearby some other Adilabad or Adilabad, one more, and one more is Karimnagar. Think Hyderabad, this one, Hyderabad nearby Warangal, one, and Hyderabad is one, one more is Adilabad. Three places they'll be safe side. That is called zone. Okay. Physical data centers. Physical data centers means this one. like this. And I can say internet from one location to another location, how you will get the internet? That is very, very important question. But see, I want to communicate. See, for example, I want build this one. Now I am in India, Hyderabad. I'm selecting which one, enterprise plus. Okay, let us one small piece region. See here, I am in Hyderabad. I'm selecting US region. No, I don't want. See, I'll tomorrow Monday I'll discuss all this. And with Mexico, where I'm selecting this. This Postgres server will be installed in Mexico. Mexico, this one. Yeah, this one. Here we are doing how, okay, how the communication will be internet, but Wi-Fi we are using, that is not the internet. The GCP is using cabling is very, very huge cabling for GCP. I'll show you that also. See this one. If you see this one, Google will be taking care complete seawater pipelines. See this one. With help of these pipelines, there'll be cable investment. They are doing huge networking is there. Okay, if you see, if you that is very, very important. These are all foundation for our GCP courses. I forgot, actually I supposed to say yesterday's class. Okay, now I'm here. The cabling for that reason only. See, you selected Mexico. This one is Mexico. You are in India. You are in using from anywhere. Okay, you are browsing, and cloud computing is nothing but any from anywhere you can work. That is the intention. Anywhere you can run the application, and you can run the company also, no problem. See, I'm selecting this one. Cabling is there. Because of these cabling, the huge investments, I can able to go with that. Okay, you can see another image. See this one. Like this, there'll be cabling will be there. All cables will be there. Internet will be display coming from the cabling. It's not like Wi-Fi. They are not using Wi-Fi for GCP clouds and all those things. If there is a internet, pipelines will be there. With help of these pipelines throughout the globe, we'll be doing there. See this one, very big. This is a very big project. It's not a small project of people will be thinking like a GCP and AWS and all those things. These see here, don't think like, see, this is common pipelines. Okay, common pipelines throughout the globe. Some I don't know which management will be taking care. Water source will be taking care, I think so. In these pipelines, there will be GCP pipelines. It's going there, and AWS, Oracle Cloud, and Azure pipelines also going in this way only. Okay, in this, but they will be giving some charges. There'll be uh, waters, right? Water, they need to pay some amount to the water departments. I don't know that based on the countries. Okay, like we have Indian waters, like UK related waters nearby. They need to that management. They need to pay that. Okay, these are the things we have. Okay, locations, regions. We need to every region having one VPC and some subnets will be there. I'll show you that. See this one, right? Any region. Low means, why it is showing low means this is some, you can use it highly feasible, and very fastly friendly. For that reason only is frequently we are using is a green color. It low, you will get low cost, something like, okay, you will get it. See, for example, I'm using selecting this one in mm, US Central. What is the cost for this? Around 0414 dollars. Now I will select some remote place. Some remote place we have seen, right? Like Santiago, we'll see. Yeah, see here. This is also, see, somewhat is high too. So I will select mm, Australia, something we'll select. Okay, Milan. Some it is very minimal, something. India will select Delhi, Mumbai. We have two places, right? Delhi, Mumbai. Oh, Delhi also $17. Why? Because we are Indians, they're giving some discount. Suppose somebody is accessing from Africa, something like that, they may change. And Delhi also will see. Okay, $17. Okay, based on, I will select Melbourne or something. Okay, South Africa is $18. Okay, like this, based on the regions, the charges will be there. But our applications, suppose I'm using Zomato application, that is Indian product. Phone Pay you are using, that is Indian product. That products are they'll be choosing mostly from Mumbai or mostly from Delhi. Why? Because of application. See, that I told, right, the waters will be there, internet cabling will be there, right? It is very faster if you are in same data center. That is recommended. Suppose I'm building a application, some US related application, I'm working for a MetLife or something like, then you have to go with some default US places. You have to select and you have to create the application. For example, North or something, US, California, Dallas or something, wherever Salt Lake, wherever your application is there, you can go. So it's for $14. Okay, like that, we can do that. I'll stop for today. If you have any doubts, let me know. I'll